Hello students, I am Srimati A.J. Patil from HR Patel Kanya Vidyalaya Shirpur. In last video, we learned how to construct tangents to the circle at a point on the circle. Now we are going to learn how to construct tangents to a circle from a point outside the circle. For this, suppose this is given circle and this is the point P in the exterior of circle outside the circle, and we have to construct these two tangents to that circle. We know the tangent segment theorem, tangent radius theorem. This is radius OA, which will be perpendicular to tangent. This OB will be perpendicular to tangent, and therefore we know the perpendicular bisector theorem. The perpendicular segment means, for that we have to construct like this way. For that we are taking example from practice set 4.2, example 6, step by step. What is the first step of construction? Circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. We do that first. Circle of radius 3.4 centimeter here. This is the first step, 3.4 centimeter circle, and point Q, this is the point P as center. Point Q is at a distance 5.5 from it. First we draw that ray, and here on this ray, point Q is at a distance of 5.5 centimeter. Here 5 is there, 5.5 means this is the point Q, and we have to draw perpendicular tangent to the circle through this point Q. For that, first we bisect segment PQ. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. And this is the line perpendicular bisector. If this distance of exterior point is double the radius, then this line will be touching to the circle. If this distance is smaller than twice of the radius, this perpendicular bisector will be inside the circle. If distance is greater than twice of radius, then this perpendicular bisector will be outside the radius. After that, suppose this M is the foot of perpendicular. Taking M as center and MQ as radius, MQ or MP, because both the points are at the same distance. MQ as radius, we draw arcs which are intersecting to the circle here, these two arcs, and this point of intersections, suppose this is point A and this is point B, we have to draw segment QA or line QA, that is the tangent through point Q at point A. This is second tangent QB through point Q. It touches the circle at point B, and these tangent segments QA and QB are of equal length, and that is our checking for tangents. This is 4.5, and here also it is 5, and it is also 5. Means our construction is right. Now we are taking the sixth example. Draw a circle of radius 4.1. We construct that circle. First, 4.1 is radius. Now we are taking suppose this point as P center, which is not given. We have to assume any point. From this point P, the another point will be at a distance 7.3 from it. This is 7.3. We draw this line segment. This is the point Q. Again we bisect this segment PQ. Here always use proper distance. Again I repeating here for because of video problem. See here, taking proper distance more than half, draw this arc from point P and Q, here also P and Q. Then by joining these two intersecting arcs, this line is perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. Suppose this point M is foot of perpendicular, taking MQ as center, MQ or MP radius. And when we draw a circle, taking MQ as center, MQ as radius, then that circle, or you may take simply arcs also. Only we can construct arc intersecting to this previous, that may be allowed it. Suppose this is the point A, this is point B. Now draw a line passing through this point Q and point A, that is the tangent from point Q at point A and at point B. Here the tangent segments are QA and QB. Now for our verification, we can measure the tangent segment QA. It is 6.3, and this QB, that is also 6.3, means our tangents are geometrically correct. And here we learn how to construct tangent. Again I repeat here, we may take both types, this total circle from this perpendicular bisector, or simply we can draw arcs intersecting to first circle, that is also allowed. And hence we learn how to construct a tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle. Again I repeat the steps. First draw a circle of given radius, then take the required point at a required distance. After that, draw perpendicular bisector of that segment obtained, that is PQ in this figure, taking foot of perpendicular, this point as center, this distance as radius, this or this. We construct arcs which intersect the first circle in two distinct points, that are suppose here A and B, and after that join a line QA and line QB. QA and QB are here tangents to the circle from point Q. That touching points are A and B respectively. Here segment QA and segment QB are the tangent segments, and for our verification, the length of tangent segment is always same. We can verify whether our tangents are right or wrong. Also, one thing remember, that if this point Q is at a distance double the radius, then this point M lies on the circle. If this point Q is less than twice, then at that time this point M will be in the interior of the circle, inside the circle. And if this point Q is more than twice the radius, then this point M will lie in the exterior of circle, means here will be there, and in this way we can construct the tangents to the circle from the exterior point of the circle. Okay.